really does stink. Yup, still soggy. Zip ties work perfectly. Leave them a little loose and you can use them as a guide to run the branches through. Arbitrarily measure it against things. Trim off excess branches. This is the most important part. You gotta find the cheapest can of black spray paint you can find. Not Krylon, not Rust-Oleum, not any of this fancy name brand stuff. It's gotta be the cheapest crap you can find. Walmart's got it, $2.48 a can plus tax. That's the stuff. Because the other stuff's too good for this. You gotta get the crappy stuff that's gonna stick and adhere to it. Find the cheapest, nastiest black spray paint you can. Otherwise it ain't gonna work. Look, you can hang it this way, or you can even hang it wide if you want. Or use it as a portal to another dimension. Oh, that's my ride. Gotta go. But watch these.